In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look up a traffic ticket online in Tennessee State. If you're trying to find a traffic citation online in Tennessee, the most important thing to know is that there is not one single statewide public search portal for every ticket. In most cases, you'll need to look up the specific court or clerk's office that handles the county or city where the citation was issued. So the process starts by identifying the correct location first and then using that local online portal to search for your record. Begin by going to the Tennessee Traffic Ticket Records record search page. This is a helpful starting point, but keep in mind that your actual ticket search may still depend on the city, county, or court that issued the citation. Next, determine exactly where you were cited. Check the physical ticket and look for details such as the issuing agency, the county, or the city. This part matters because a citation issued by a state trooper may be handled differently from one issued by a local police department, municipal court, or county court. If you use the wrong website, you may not find your ticket even if it has already been entered into the system. Once you know the correct jurisdiction, visit that local portal and search for your ticket using the information requested there. In many cases, that will be your citation number and last name. Some courts may ask for slightly different details, so be ready to enter exactly what appears on your ticket. For example, if your ticket was issued in Nashville or Davidson County, you can check through the Davidson County Circuit Court Clerk or the General Sessions Court website. If it was a state-issued trooper ticket, it may also be available through the Tennessee Interactive Moving Violation Records portal, although that may require authorized access. If your ticket was issued in Knoxville, use the Knoxville City Court search, which may allow searches by citation number or driver's license number. In Chattanooga, use the Chattanooga City Court system, where you may be asked for your citation number and date of birth. For Clarksville, use the Clarksville Court Payment Portal. One helpful tip is to allow some time before searching. It can take about 3 to 5 days after the traffic stop for the ticket to appear online, so if you don't see it right away, check again later. Once the ticket is available, the portal may let you review the citation details, pay the fine if you choose to plead guilty, or submit proof of compliance, such as proof of insurance. Just remember that some violations, including more serious offenses like reckless driving or excessive speed, may require a mandatory court appearance and cannot be resolved online.